Back in the day, things were pretty simple with OnePlus. In the first half of the year, you would get the standard OnePlus phone, and in the second half, the company would launch a T version of the same smartphone. For example, the OnePlus 5 would launch in March or April, and around September or October, we used to get the OnePlus 5T. Now later it started adding the Pro models of the lineup as well. So we had a OnePlus 7 and a OnePlus 7 Pro. And in the second half of the year, we also had the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 7T Pro. Now this year, OnePlus did something different and also added a India specific OnePlus 9R to its OnePlus 9 lineup. And as we are hearing right now, this year in the second half, we may not get a OnePlus 9T or 9T Pro. Instead, the company is planning to launch the OnePlus 9RT. And in this video, I'm going to talk about this very phone. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. OnePlus had added a OnePlus 9R to its this year's flagship lineup, keeping in mind the Indian users, and gave them a very affordable option. Now, from what we know is that it is planning to launch OnePlus 9RT, and this phone can be introduced sometime around September or October. So we don't have an exact launch date yet, but you can expect this phone to come somewhere around the later half of September or early October, targeting the festival season, which is usually ideal for smartphone companies in India. In terms of specifications, we should not expect a major upgrade on the OnePlus 9R, but yes, we will see some improvements in specific departments, especially camera is what we are hearing. Now let me start from the top. So on the OnePlus 9RT, what you can get is a 6.55 inch Full HD Plus E3 AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. So you are definitely going to see some improvement on the display front as well. You're gonna get a 120 Hz display on the OnePlus 9RT, and this should put it at par with the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. Also for the selfie camera, what you're gonna get is a hole punch cutout that has been pretty much the standard on all the OnePlus smartphones. The phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. Now that's the same chipset that OnePlus had also used on the OnePlus 9R. So this is the chipset that it is going to use on the OnePlus 9RT as well, and it also means that the OnePlus 9RT will not be too expensive as well. You can expect the price to be somewhere between 35,000 and 40 to 42,000 depending upon how many variants OnePlus launches, and this will allow the OnePlus 9RT to compete with the Realme GT and the Mi 11X Pro and the iQOO 7 Legend Edition. All those phones come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, but then again OnePlus has its own set of USPs as well. In terms of camera, what we are expecting is that the OnePlus 9RT may come with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, and this is the same sensor, by the way, which OnePlus has also used on the recently launched OnePlus Nord 2. So it's not really a surprise that OnePlus is using the same sensor on the OnePlus 9RT as well, but then again this is something that you should be looking forward to. Along with that, you can also expect a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a 2 megapixel black and white or monochrome sensor, as OnePlus calls it, on the OnePlus 9RT. In terms of battery, you should not expect major improvements on upgrades on the OnePlus 9RT. The phone may still pack a 4500 mAh battery, which is the same as we saw on the OnePlus 9R, and it may ship with a 65 watt fast charger. On the software front, the phone will run Oxygen OS 12 based on Android 11. Now, in case you are not aware about the OnePlus 9R or how the performance on that phone is, you can definitely watch that review on India Today Tech YouTube channel. And whenever the OnePlus 9RT launches, we'll definitely bring you more information on that phone as well. But for that, you also need to subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel and tap on that bell icon so that whenever we update a video related to this phone or any other important information, you get a notification from our side. Thank you for watching this video.